Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of...
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, feel free to stay. Just let me know how you got here in the comment. So, I went blue again. And if you watched my previous video, you guys will see that the blue that I did review initially, I really didn't care for that much. This was the blue I was talking about, y'all. This is the one. So I got my hands on this wig. This is the Janet Collection Princess Charlotte wig, and she's synthetic. If you know me, you know, like, I take the safer route out because I always wanted to do like colors and stuff, but like I will be super sad and I will cry if I spend a lot of money on some 613 weave and I color it and it's not to my liking. So I always take the safer route out and I go with synthetic first. You wouldn't even known it was synthetic if I hadn't told you so. Yeah. Let me give you guys the specs on this hair. Alright, so yeah, again, this is the Princess Charlotte. This is a perfect example of a lace front wig because, you know, some companies really be trying. They will give you 2 centimeters of lace and think we're supposed to really do something with that. Like, no. But this one is 13 by 4 and you get a decent amount of parting space. So that's always good. The color is blue black, which is a really pretty color. Like, it gets brighter when you're like out in the sun and stuff. Like my thumbnail, for example, that's how bright it looks when you're out in public. Yeah, it has a typical construction of a synthetic wig, which is 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and an adjustable lace. The curl pattern, I want to say it's like, you guys know how you do like flat iron curls? That's pretty much how it is. It was definitely a little bit tighter than this, but I decided to brush it out a little bit, and I like it this way. I think I'm gonna straighten it on camera as well too. So yeah, but so far I like this wig. The only thing I can say will be a problem for me is the shedding. Like, this wig definitely does shed a lot, and by a lot I mean I'm running my fingers through it and I get like copious amounts of shedding. So let's just be aware of that. But I really like this color, you guys. Like, I feel like city girl. Hey, real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Ah. Okay, let me stop. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have on this wig. I'm gonna straighten it on camera because I just want to see how it looks straightened. And we go wrapping it up. Now on the stock card, it says it's able to be straightened up to 365 degrees. But I'm not gonna get it that high because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, I'm gonna just straighten it and I'm gonna come back, show you guys how it looks straightened. My bad, I'm steady looking at the viewfinder because that's my mirror as of right now. And then also I'm on my tippy toes because short girl problems, but you wouldn't be able to see the whole head, so yeah. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking halfway straightened. I mean, I can like run my flat iron through it like one more time to get it like bone straight, but I like the way the ends are like looking right now, like it's curling in, and I really like this, so I might leave it like this. But I'm about to hold it. I'm about to straighten the rest off camera and then I'll come back. And now that it's straightened out, you can really see like how the blue and the black is fused together. And I really like this wig. Like, I love the way it was constructed. Janet Collection, y'all snapped. Y'all snapped on this one for real. But like, it's so cute, y'all. I don't know, I think I might like it better straight, and I don't know now. The luster is not too high, which is a really good thing for a synthetic wig because that's a dead giveaway. I say it all the time. If your luster high, if it's shining, like, people gonna know it's a wig. Like, it's a really, it has like a nice density to it. That saved me a nice little coin because 613 here alone is like $300. Like, damn. But yeah, this is really cute. I really like this wig, y'all. This is one of those you can throw on and go type wigs. It's definitely low maintenance. The only big thing is the shedding. Like, I can't, once we get the shedding together, this might be my favorite wig, seriously. But what else did I have to say about it? Let me turn around. Weave bands. It's not stiff. It's not stiff, y'all. It moves. Okay, I played too much. Y'all, I'm feeling myself, right? Alright, for real, that's all I have on this wig. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments. If you like it better straight or curled. You know, if you guys want me to review like other units, I'm more than open to do so because I love putting y'all on for the low. I love saving money because I switch on my hair every other week, so it doesn't really matter to me. I prefer synthetic over human hair because I'm gonna be blue today, green tomorrow, yellow the next week. You can do that with synthetic hair. And you saving money, so that's all I have for real. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.